Hello, how can I help you?
I got this recipe from my doctor.
Oh, a recipe? What are you cooking today? Spaghetti?
No spaghetti. Wait.
수빈아, recipe는 how to cook food, 즉 요리법을 말하는 거고 a doctor's note for medicine, 즉 처방전은 prescription이라고 해야 해.
I got this prescription from my doctor.
Got it. Let me see if we have it.
Hello, I got this prescription from my doctor.
Got it. Let's take a look. We don't have this specific brand, but we do have the generic version.
Excuse me? What does genetic mean?
Oh no, not genetic, generic. 수빈아, genetic이 아니라 generic이라고 하신 거야. generic은 우리가 보통 말하는 복제약이라는 뜻이야. 성분과 효과는 같은데 브랜드만 다른 걸 말하는 거야.
아, 발음이 너무 비슷해서 헷갈렸어. Then I'll take the generic medicine.
Got it. That'll be $8.
Excuse me, I am looking for when I cut myself.
You mean a Band-Aid?
Yes, I need a Band-Aid.
Got it. Here you go. Anything else?
I also need for my period.
Oh, you need a menstrual cup.
Yes, a menstrual cup, please.
Okay. Anything else?
This for when people attack me.
Perfume?
No. Something to protect myself.
Pepper spray 말하는 거야?
Yes, pepper spray.
Oh, I'm sorry. We don't sell that anymore.
Okay. Thank you.